In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Indeed applications. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Many job seekers use Indeed to apply for positions, but sometimes you might feel the need to withdraw your application for various reasons. Whether it's because you found another job or perhaps you changed your mind about the position, deleting your Indeed applications is a straightforward process. So let's get right into it. First, you'll want to log into your Indeed account. This is the account you created when you signed up to use their services. Head over to the Indeed website and click on the Sign In button, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. After entering your email and password, you'll be taken to your Indeed dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the My Jobs tab in the menu. This is where all your applications will be organized. Click on that, and it will take you to a list of positions you've applied for. Next, you'll see a section that lists your applications along with their statuses. Here, you'll find options like Applied, Interview, or Offer. To proceed with deleting an application, find the specific job you want to remove from your application history. Once you find it, hover over or click on the application to reveal more details. Now, look for the Withdraw or Delete option. This might be represented by a pencil icon or 3 dots next to the application. This design can vary, so just pay attention. Clicking on this will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to withdraw your application. It's always a good measure to double-check that this is indeed the application you want to delete. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm. You might see a notification indicating that your application has been successfully withdrawn. If you're managing multiple job applications, you can repeat this process for any other applications you wish to remove. Now, let's talk a bit about what happens when you withdraw your application. Once you've deleted an application, it will no longer be visible in your Indeed account, and the employer will also be notified that you are no longer interested in the position. This is particularly important as it helps you manage your job search effectively, showcasing your interest only in the positions you truly want to pursue. If at any point you find yourself lost or unsure about navigating the site, Indeed also has a help center. You can access it by scrolling to the bottom of any page where you'll find a link for help or support. This can be a handy resource if you have further questions or if you run into issues. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily delete your Indeed applications and keep your job search organized. Remember, it's always important to stay proactive in managing your applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful content like this. Thanks for watching.